today's video, I am going to explain the most important polar curve, and I am going to trace this curve, that is r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So before tracing that, so we have to check the symmetry. So the first point is for checking the symmetry. See here, the given curve is unaltered if theta is replaced by minus theta. So in place of theta, if I keep minus theta, that is a into 1 plus cos of minus theta. So as you know that cos of minus theta is again cos theta. So there is no change in the given equation. The given curve is unaltered, remains same. If theta is replaced by minus theta, then we say that the given curve is symmetrical about the initial line. So please remember, so if the equation remains same, even if theta is replaced by minus theta, then we say that the given curve is symmetrical about the initial line. So the next one, coming to the pole, as I said you many times that this is origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is a line making theta degrees angle. So this is r. So the polar coordinates are nothing but r comma theta. If you keep on decreasing the r value, so ultimately it reaches the origin. So origin is nothing but the pole. So here if we put r is equal to 0 in this equation, r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. See here, in place of r I substituted 0 here. 0 is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, and 1 plus cos theta is equal to 0 and cos theta is equal to minus 1. Therefore the theta value is equal to pi. See here, the theta value we got as pi. Therefore the curve is passing through the pole. So if it's passing through the pole, we have to find out the tangent at the pole. So in the same equation of the curve, if we put r is equal to 0, whatever the value we get for theta, and that is the tangent at pole. So here 0 is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, and 1 plus cos theta is equal to 0, and therefore cos theta is equal to minus 1. Therefore the theta value is equal to pi. Therefore theta is equal to pi is the tangent at the pole. And next, coming to the asymptotes, see just the first point is symmetry. So the given curve remains same if theta is replaced by minus theta. Then we say that the given curve is symmetrical about the initial line. And coming to the pole here, we have to keep r is equal to 0 in the given equation, and so cos theta value is equal to minus 1 and theta is equal to pi. Therefore the curve is passing through the pole, and so we have to calculate the tangent at pole. So in order to calculate the tangent at pole, whatever the value of r we have given, and the theta value is equal to pi is the tangent at the pole. And coming to the asymptotes here, it's very clear that there are no asymptotes to the given curve because r is finite. So we are getting r as a finite value for any value of theta. So if we substitute any value to theta, we are getting the finite r value, and so there are no asymptotes to the given curve. If it's infinite, then we'll talk about asymptotes, and whereas in this case there are no r values which we got as infinite values. Therefore there are no asymptotes to the given curve. And next, coming to the points here, so this is the equation of the curve r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. See here, I have substituted so many theta values and I have got r values here. So for 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330 and 360. So it's an increase by 30 degrees of angle. See here, so you can use your calci while going to exams, and r is equal to a into 1 plus. In place of theta I have substituted theta here. So as you know that cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, and straightly you can do like this, cos 30. The value is 1.86. So the value here is like this. And the next one is 1 plus cos 60. As you know that it is 1.5. So this one, that is 1 plus cos 120. The value here is 120. So it is 122 here. That is 1 plus cos 90, value here is 1. So 1 into a is 1. And the next one 120 here, that is 1 plus, this is cos 120. The value here is 0.5 into a. And the next one here is, 150 degrees. That is 1 plus cos 150. So this is 1.339 into a. And the next one here is 1 plus cos this is 180, and this is 0 here. 180 is minus 1 and plus 1. So the next one is 210 degrees. That is 1 plus. So this is 1 plus 210. That is cos 210 degrees. The value here is 1.339, and the next one is 1 plus cos 240. The value here is 0.5, and similarly we can calculate all these values, and after getting all these r values, keeping theta values, so just these are the points. So for the curve r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So here if you observe, these are the theta values, that is 30, 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330 and 360. So there is an increase of 30 degrees of angle at each time. So here these are the values, that is 2a 1.x. I have shown you how we got all these values, and now we have to plot all these values in the given figure. So as you know that this is an origin point, so this is an origin, this is theta is equal to 0, this is theta is equal to 30 degrees, theta is equal to 60, theta is equal to 90, theta is equal to 120 degrees, theta is equal to 150, theta is equal to 180, this one is 210, this is 240, 270, 300 and 330. So after placing all the values, now I'll substitute. See here, for 0, for angle theta is equal to 0, so this is 2a. So name it as 2a. So this is 2a. And the next one for 30, theta is equal to 30 degrees, it is 1.86. For the angle theta is equal to 30, it is somewhat closer to this one, 1.86. And for 60 degrees it is 1.5. See, plot here, it is 1.5. It's a guess, that's it. And for 90 degrees it is a, so it is little more down, so this is a. And for 120 it is 0.5, so this is 0.5. And this is 1 for 150, so 150 it is nearer to 0, that is 0 point. For 150 it is 0.13, so it is this is 0 and 0.13. And the next one for 180 degrees, see here, for theta is equal to 180 degrees it is 0. And the next one here for 210, it is 0.13. And for 240, see here, this is 0.5. And this is 270. For 270 this is 1 into a, so this is a, and this is 1.5 into a, so little farther, that is 1.5. And this is 1.86, and this value is 2 again. So if I keep on closing all these, so if I keep on closing all these values, see here, so this is a heart shape. As it is symmetrical about the initial line, the same figure will come in this side also. See here. So this is the shape of the curve r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So this is nothing but cardioid. So this is nothing but cardioid. And see, this is how we have to solve in simple, in general. So this will be the shape. As we got this shape, and ultimately we can draw the similar figure, the similar shape this side, as this one is symmetrical about the initial line. So this is pi, and this is the origin point. So this is 2a comma 0. So this is the figure. This is how we have to draw using all the points, and hope you all guys understand. Thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. So as it's very easy if you follow my videos, and I'll be uploading many more videos. And if you really like, you know what to do, please raise your thumb, pass it on, leave a comment below, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't still.